Hey guys, so today I'm in Jaipur. First time here, and it already feels magical. I just stepped out of the train. And wow, this place feels like a fairy tale. Okay, so I'm in an auto right now. Pink walls, slow turns. Jaipur's got rhythm. You have to try the chai here. It's simple, but it hits something deep. These little alleys, they don't just lead somewhere, they tell you to slow down. Look at this! Tiny mirrors everywhere. I swear, I see 100 versions of me. Look at those kites. The sky here doesn't care for rules, it just dances. Standing in front of Hawa Mahal, and honestly, it feels like it's looking right back at me. Every window here feels like someone's story waiting to be told. Listen to this sound, like someone is singing to the sky. Okay, wait. Look at this view. This isn't just a city, it's a moment. Jaipur's sky. It doesn't just change colors, it changes you. Lit this diya, and honestly, it felt like the city lit something inside me. Some lanes don't take you anywhere big, just somewhere quiet. And that's enough. Heading back, but part of me staying behind in these pink streets. Today changed me a little, and I think I'll carry Jaipur with me, always.